Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redo your Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to redo the content of your store, you can either start, for example, exporting your products and exporting all the elements of your shop. For example, all the orders, products, customers, and you can try to open a new store and start importing these elements. So if you import it as a CSV file, you can start importing it in some other shop if you want to redo your shop into another one. Otherwise, if you want only to redo, for example, your theming, your elements, etc., you can try to redo the code or try using older versions of your code. So as you can see, you can either use another theme library that you had, another theme that you already had. You can click on publish and it will change with this one. Otherwise, you can just simply go to edit code and start edit the original states or the first states of your theme. Simply, you can, for example, go to the theme liquid, .liquid, or any file that you had already edited and you want to go to its initial state, you will need just to click on the current, and here we will find some version controlling. So if I go to the original, we will see that my changes have been restored. So as you can see, I had added this version 2 text in the line 17, and if I go to the original state and I go to the line 17, we will see that it has been restored the changes. So simply this is how you can start resetting your themes or elements in your store. Thank you for watching and see you next time.